Great British Baking Show just hit us with a heart-wrenching moment in its 2025 finale, a tribute that left viewers both moved and curious. But here's where it gets emotional. The final scene featured a black screen with a photo of a man and the words, "In loving memory of Dan Blackman, 1974 to 2025. Who was this man? And why did he mean so much to one of the most beloved shows on television? Let's dive in. This isn't the first time the show has honored a fallen member of its family. Back in 2022, the season 10 premiere was dedicated to Chloe Avery, a food producer whose behind-the-scenes work was instrumental in crafting the challenges that kept us on the edge of our seats. And this is the part most people miss. These tributes remind us that the magic of TV is often made by unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the camera. So, who was Dan Blackman? A quick glance at his career reveals a man deeply embedded in the fabric of British television. As a longtime editor, Blackman wasn't just a part of the Great British Baking Show, he was a cornerstone of it. For 5 years, he meticulously edited the footage from the iconic tent, ensuring every moment of drama, laughter, and triumph was perfectly captured. But his talents didn't stop there. Blackman's resume reads like a who's who of cozy British TV, with credits on shows like Autumn Watch, Winter Watch, and Spring Watch. He even lent his skills to Nadia's Everyday Baking and Changing Rooms before moving on to another fan favorite, The Great Pottery Throwdown. But here's where it gets controversial. While Blackman's work was widely celebrated, his transition from the Great British Baking Show to the Great Pottery Throwdown raises questions. Did he leave voluntarily, or was there more to the story? Public posts from colleagues like Julia Foote paint him as a gentle, intelligent man and a really good editor. But what drove his career shifts? Was it creative ambition, or something else entirely? It's a topic that's sure to spark debate among fans and industry insiders alike. Born in Cheshire and educated at the University of West England in Bristol, Blackman's journey in broadcasting began at the BBC, where he spent 13 years working on non-fiction series like Planet Earth, The Future, and Time Shift. His transition to freelance work in 2011 marked the beginning of a prolific period that saw him become a go-to editor for some of the most comforting shows on British TV. Blackman's passing at the age of 51 was marked by both a funeral service in Cheshire and a memorial in Bristol, attended by friends, family, and colleagues who cherished his warmth and professionalism. And this is the part that lingers. His legacy isn't just in the shows he edited, but in the lives he touched. As we reflect on his contributions, it's impossible not to wonder, how many more stories would he have helped tell if given more time? As we remember Dan Blackman, let's also celebrate the countless behind-the-scenes creators who make our favorite shows possible. But here's a thought-provoking question for you. Do we, as viewers, truly appreciate the unsung heroes of television? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.